Experiencing issues with elevated concrete moisture? Are you having flooring problems attributed to moisture, topical or concrete sourced? If you're an architect who has specified flooring products, a contractor or project manager who's facilitated labor for flooring installations, a flooring installer who's dealt with nearly every flooring installation system on the market, or maybe you're a commercial building owner, have you asked yourself why you're selling, installing, or specifying epoxy moisture mitigation systems that add $5 to $7 per square foot, require delays for moisture testing and reporting, expose flooring installers to harmful silica dust and epoxy, while offering limited waterproofing performance and worse, a limited warranty? Perhaps you've been told that epoxy moisture mitigation is the only solution or the most effective. That's what the flooring industry would like to tell you. Remember, more floor failures equal more flooring sold. Sound too conspiratorial, a little over the top? Until you realize the true flooring installation solution the industry has been asking for is here and has been for years with millions of square feet installed already. Aquaflex, the world's first and only true patented waterproof flooring installation system that includes our waterproof Aquaflex adhesive, silica-free waterproof concrete repair mortar, and our soon-to-come silica-free waterproof concrete self-leveling product. Aquaflex is recommended by major flooring manufacturers, Mohawk and Interface, major retailers, Burlington, Walgreens, CVS and Kroger, major school systems, hospitals and clinics. Aquaflex is LEED qualifying, bio-based, and is the ultimate green waterproof solution architects have been asking for. The time-saving and cost-saving solution commercial building owners need. And the most cost-effective, easy-to-apply, and safest solution project managers, contractors, and flooring installers have been begging for. Aquaflex is here to change the flooring industry. Are you ready for the change? Request a free demo kit from our website now at www.aquaflexinc.com.